Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today on this grammar lesson we're gonna learn the verb to go, aller, present tense. But not only, we're also going to learn how to use it because it's slightly changed depending if the word after is feminine or masculine. Two videos that can help you here for the conjugation is the first one, the pronoun subject, and the second one, the gender of noun. I will put the link in the description box. If you haven't watched them yet, go watch them first, it will really help you. Before getting into the magical world of French conjugation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and go to my website to grab the PDF related to this lesson to review and study. There are other PDF about grammar, vocabulary, and the one for my listening practice videos every Friday. They're always there, they're free. Grab as many as you want. I hope it helps you. On the first part of this video, we're gonna see how to conjugate aller, verb aller. It's an irregular verb, so totally different than whatever you already know, if you already know something about conjugation. Totally different. We're gonna learn how to conjugate, and then the second part, we're gonna learn how to use it in a sentence, because if you only say I'm going, that doesn't make any sense. And it's the same thing in French. You have to say I'm going to the bank, I'm going to the park, I'm going to the beach, I'm going to the pool, I'm going to the. And that's how we're gonna learn how to use it, because it really depends. Like I said, if it's masculine, feminine, it changes. So let's get into that. A quick reminder for subject pronoun. So we have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Now the conjugation. Je vais. Je vais. Tu vas. Tu vas. Il va. Il va. Elle va. Elle va. On va. On va. Nous allons. Don't forget to make the link here. Nous allons. Vous allez. Same thing. Vous allez. Ils vont. Elles vont. Like I said, it's a really irregular verb, but you have to know it because you use it all the time. Now the second part of this lesson, how to use it. Like I said, it depends if the word after is masculine or feminine. So if you say to the bank or to the park, it's not going to be the same thing for the grammar. So if the word after is feminine, you're gonna say aller à la. Aller à la. So to go to the plus féminin now. Let's see the first example. Je vais à la boulangerie. Je vais à la boulangerie. Tu vas à la piscine. Tu vas à la piscine. Let's see two more. Il va à la plage. Il va à la plage. Elle va à la banque. Elle va à la banque. Now if you want to say to go to the plus masculine noun, it's gonna be aller au. Aller au. But only if this noun is singulier. It's only one. For example, on va au café. On va au café. Nous allons au stade. Nous allons au stade. Vous allez au magasin. Vous allez au magasin. Ils vont au marché. Ils vont au marché. Elles vont au restaurant. Elles vont au restaurant. Now we have this one. Aller à l. Because if the noun after starts with a voyelle, you don't know if it's masculine, feminine, and you actually don't need to, because it's always gonna be L apostrophe. Pretty convenient. L apostrophe. For example, je vais à l'aéroport. Je vais à l'aéroport. And it's un aéroport. It's a masculine noun. Another example, tu vas à l'école. Tu vas à l'école. So a school, une école, féminin. And the last example for this one, il va à l'université. Il va à l'université. Université, féminin. Now if the word after is féminin, masculin, but plural, we only use O. A-U-X. O. Aller, au. On va aux courses. On va aux courses. Or, nous allons aux États-Unis. Nous allons aux États-Unis. A lot of link here. Nous allons aux États-Unis. Vous allez aux toilettes. Vous allez aux toilettes. And something different here. If you want to say that you're going to a person, to the neighbor, to the dentist, to the doctor, what we're going to use chez. Chez. So, aller chez, to go to the, plus person. So, je vais chez le docteur. Je vais chez le docteur. I'm going to the doctor. So here it doesn't matter if it's féminin, masculin, you just add the doctor after. Another example, tu vas chez la voisine. Tu vas chez la voisine. Il va chez le coiffeur. Il va chez le coiffeur. Elle va chez le dentiste. Elle va chez le dentiste. So let's see everything one more time. Don't forget that you can get that PDF on my website. It's way easier. Don't take note. Don't bother with that. It's right there. Just go grab it. So, if you want to say to go to the plus feminine noun, aller à la. Aller à la. Plus a masculine noun, aller au. Aller au. With a feminine or a masculine noun starting with a voyelle, aller à l. Aller à l. It's hard to say actually. For everything plural, masculine or feminine, aller au. Aller au. And if you want to go to a person's place, aller chez. Aller chez. Let's see the conjugation one more time. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something. Don't forget that I post all those videos a week. This week on Wednesday it's gonna be vocabulary about family. Thursday it's gonna be 40 sentences to step up your game in French. And Friday a listening practice as usual. So to not miss anything, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, like this video. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel is this one, and I will see you soon for another lesson.